A snowstorm has hit Bitlis, a city and district in eastern Turkey, causing widespread disruption to transportation and daily life. Heavy snowfall has been reported throughout the region, with some areas experiencing over 1 meter of snow. The local authorities have warned residents to avoid non-essential travel and to take necessary precautions when venturing outside. The snowfall has caused chaos on the roads, with many vehicles becoming stranded and unable to move. Snowplows and other heavy machinery have been deployed to clear the roads, but progress has been slow due to the sheer volume of snow. The local police have urged drivers to avoid driving unless absolutely necessary. In addition to road closures, many businesses and schools have also been forced to close due to the severe weather conditions. Residents have been advised to stay indoors and to keep warm as temperatures have dropped significantly. Emergency services are on standby to assist anyone who may require help. Despite the disruption, many locals have been making the most of the snowfall by engaging in winter activities such as skiing, snowboarding, and building snowmen. Social media has been flooded with photos and videos of the snow-covered city, highlighting both the beauty and the challenges of the extreme weather. The snowstorm is expected to continue for the next few days, and the authorities have urged residents to remain vigilant and to heed any further warnings or advice.